level didn't require a boring exam?
And what if you could figure it out just by listening to a simple story about a weekend trip?
Because let's be honest, grammar tests make us nervous.
They make your hands sweat and your mind go blank.
But listening? That's different. Listening is how we actually connect.
That's why today's episode is all about comparing two levels. A2
The survival level,
and B1.
the conversational level.
We're going to tell the exact same story twice.
And by the end, you'll know exactly where you stand. Welcome back to English Cast Duo.
The podcast where English isn't memorized.
It's used.
I'm Mia.
I'm Alex.
And if you're listening right now,
You're already doing something great for your English.
today is special because we are looking at the weekend trip. Everyone loves a holiday, right?
Exactly. But describing that holiday changes everything depending on your level.
We are going to look at the A2 level, which is elementary, and compare it directly to the B1 level, which is intermediate.
Same trip, same events, totally different English.
Before we start the story, let's be real for a second. What is A2?
A2 is functional. It gets the job done.
Think of it like building a house. A 2 is the foundation. You have walls, you have a roof, you are safe.
But you don't have decorations yet?
Exactly. In A2, we use the simple past tense. I went. I ate. I saw.
Sentences are short. We don't use complex connecting words. We mostly use and or but.
Here is the challenge. I want you to listen to Alex tell this story.
Ask yourself, do I understand 100% of this? If yes, you are likely ready for B1.
Let's practice.
Last weekend I went to the coast. I wanted to relax. I traveled by bus. The bus ride was long. It took 3 hours. I arrived at the hotel at 2 p.m. The hotel was nice. My room was clean. It had a big window. I saw the ocean from my window. In the afternoon, I walked to the beach. The weather was hot. The water was cold. I swam for 30 minutes. Later, I was hungry. I went to a restaurant near the beach. I ate a pizza. It was very good. On Sunday, I visited a museum. It was interesting. Then I came home. I was tired, but I was happy.
Okay, simple, right?
Very simple. Did you notice the pattern?
Subject, verb, object. I ate a pizza. The hotel was nice.
We used basic adjectives. Good, nice, hot, cold.
And that is perfectly fine. If you speak like this, people understand you.
But here's the problem. It sounds a little bit robotic.
It lacks emotion. It lacks details.
That brings us to the next part.
The B1 level.
Now, here is something important. B1 is where you start to show your personality.
In B1, we stop saying I went. And we start using phrasal verbs like set off or check in. We also use better adjectives. Instead of good, maybe it was delicious or relaxing.
And we connect our ideas. We explain why something happened.
Listen to my version of the same trip. Notice how the flow changes.
Pay attention to the feeling.
I really needed to get away last weekend, so I decided to book a trip to the coast. I was looking forward to relaxing. I took the bus, but unfortunately, we got stuck in traffic. The journey was exhausting because it took over 3 hours. Finally, I checked into my hotel around 2 p.m. It was a lovely place. The room was cozy, and the best part was the view. I could see the ocean right from my balcony. Since it was scorching hot, I headed down to the beach immediately. The water was freezing, but it felt refreshing. Afterward, I grabbed a bite at a local Italian spot. The pizza was absolutely delicious. On Sunday, I did some sightseeing at a museum. It was fascinating. When I got back home, I was worn out, but it was totally worth it.
Wow. That felt completely different. And
It paints a picture, doesn't it?
let's look at the changes. In the first story, I said, I went to the hotel.
In B1, I said, I checked into my hotel. Check-in is a specific phrasal verb for travel.
I said the water was cold.
I said the water was freezing, but it felt refreshing.
See that? Freezing is stronger than cold. And refreshing describes how it felt.
Also, notice the connectors. Since it was hot, or, but unfortunately.
These small words glue the story together. They make it flow.
Can we ask for a small favor?
If you notice the difference between these two stories, please take 1 second to like this episode.
It helps us know what kind of content helps you the most.
So, which level was easier for you?
If the first story was easy but the second was hard, you are likely moving from A2 to B1.
And here's the good news. That is the most exciting part of the journey.
Tell us in the comments, are you Team A2 or Team B1 right now? We love reading them.
See you in the next episode.
And remember,
Keep speaking.